Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact motherboard model and current BIOS or UEFI revision, because drivers are model-specific. Once done, create a system restore point or a full disk image to undo problems quickly. Make sure you have a stable power source and internet or an alternate PC to download files. Then sign in with an administrator account so installs can complete. These steps eliminate guesswork and protect your system before you change low-level components. Next, download the correct chipset and peripheral drivers from the motherboard or chipset vendor. Prioritize WHQL-signed packages for stability. Verify checksums to avoid corrupted files, and extract installers into a single folder so you can run them in sequence. You often install chipset first, then storage/LAN, then audio and other devices. This order ensures device enumeration is correct. If an installer is a ZIP or INF, use device managers update driver path to point. Finally, run installers one at a time and reboot after major components so Windows registers changes cleanly. This reduces driver conflicts. Once rebooted, verify devices in Device Manager and test network, audio, and storage. If a device misbehaves, boot safe mode and uninstall the problematic driver or use rollback to the previous driver. If problems persist, reset BIOS to defaults and reflash BIOS only as a last resort. Then restore your system image if stability is not regained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.